Guys, welcome back for a quick unboxing. Now, I don't remember if you can just open this up like this, or I'm going to need more cutting to do. Oh, well, I guess I didn't need to do any cutting. It just comes out nice and simple. So this looks like it comes here mounted with some kind of Dean's connector, whatever. I did not expect that, but we'll open it up real quick and see. I thought it was supposed to come with the Tamiya connector. That'll be interesting. So it has Dean's-ish looking things here. So how am I gonna? Huh? That's not fun in any possible way. So you buy these things and they come with all these spare bits and pieces, but what were they thinking? I can insert that. Oh, maybe that's the one. Okay, I can insert that and then that'll go in. Okay, let me not break everything. That looks like the right connector though. Let's see. Oh, it's hard to get in there. That's definitely not it. That's definitely not it. And that's definitely not it. So it's going to have to be this one. But why is it so hard to get in there? It's when you do everything wrong, right? When you do everything wrong, it doesn't make it right. Okay. Ah, there we go. So I guess you have to be like King Kong or something to get this in. Will it come out easily too? Oh, okay. Well, it'll do what it has to do. So what about once I'm done charging it? Let's say I'm done charging it. So we need to get this out. But now I want to change it to something else. Oh boy, now once it's stuck in, it doesn't want to come out. Am I going to break my nails on this? Get a knife. Gently, whoa. Don't try this at home, kids. So you buy this thing here, you connect it up, but once it's connected in, you can't get it out. What kind of device? Oh, wow. It's going to be for another video. I mean, I'm trying to get it off on camera, and it's not doing it. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. That's one problem right there.